Hello everyone, my name is Singh Sachin and today we will discuss about physical examination. As we all know, vital signs provide initial critical information that is influence the tempo and the direction of the evaluation. Vital signs includes heart rate, respiratory rate and blood pressure and temperature. Today we will discuss about blood pressure, that is how to measure blood pressure using manual sphygmomanometer. So we are using two instruments. First is sphygmomanometer and the other one is stethoscope. So this is the sphygmomanometer, this is the cuff of a sphygmomanometer, and the length of the inflatable bladder of should be 80% of upper arm circumference, and the width of the inflatable bladder of the cup should be 40% of the upper arms circumference. And this is the meter which we are using to measure systolic and diastolic pressure reading, and the other device is stethoscope. So this portion is called bell and the other portion is called diaphragm. Okay, come, have a seat please and sit properly. So sanitize your hand properly. I will also sanitize my hands. So you wanna sanitize again? Okay, sanitize one more time. I will also do that. Okay, so can I know your age?
21.
Okay, so today we will measure your blood pressure. So uh, I will remove my mask and I will measure your blood pressure by your upper arms. I will tie the cuff on your upper arm. Is it okay now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So can you show me? Can you put your hands on the table?
Sure.
Okay. So I will tie the cuff here. Okay. So you have to put your hair on the table. So okay, give me your hand. So okay, this is the cuff length. This is the wide. So now I'm gonna tie this.
Okay.
Okay. I'm tying, and is it comfortable for you, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Hmm. It's not tight, right?
Okay. Yeah, it is all right.
Okay. Now I will fix this here so that I can see the measurement. Okay. So I'm just starting the process. First, estimate the systolic blood pressure by palpation and the palpate radial artery by finger with one hand only. Rapidly inflate cuff until the radial pulse disappear. Read this pressure on the manometer and add 30 mm of Hg. Sometimes it can show error because of oscillatory gap it present between the systolic and the diastolic pressure. So now you start deflate the cuff pressure completely. Now you have to wait for 15 to 20 seconds. Now fix the diagram. Now fix the diaphragm of stethoscope over the brachial artery for measuring the systolic or diastolic pressure. Now inflate the cuff again rapidly to target level, then deflate the cuff slowly about 2 to 3 mm of Hg per second. Note, when you hear the sound at two consecutive beats, That is called systolic pressure. Now deflate the cup slowly until the sound disappears. That point is systolic pressure. That is, you can call it disappear point. Deflate rapidly to zero. Now you can hear two sound. One is correct cop sound, and the second thing you can find there auscultatory gap. So it's done with stethoscope. So now I am gonna remove the cuff. My measurement is done. So now relax. Okay, stretch your hand so that I can remove the cuff. Yeah, no need to worry. Your blood pressure is normal. Okay, so you can do your hand like that, no problem. Okay, okay. So don't worry, and thank you so much. Stay safe. Keep sanitizing your hands. Okay. So this is the matter how to measure blood pressure. Now you can wait for 2 or more minutes and take another reading. If there is any difference of 5 mmHg or more, then just take another reading and mark the BP as an average reading. You may see a difference of 5 mm of Hg or up to 10 mm of Hg when you just change the arm. So just don't confuse. The normal reading for the blood pressure in a maximum time is less than 120 mm of Hg of a systolic blood pressure and less than 80 mm of Hg of a systolic blood pressure. Usually the blood pressure is written as systolic pressure. That means 120 oblique 80. For pre-hypertensive stage, the systolic blood pressure is between 120 to 139 and diastolic is in between 80 to 89. A hypersensitive state hyper that mean a person is suffering from hypertension more than 140, which is systolic pressure, and more than 90. So okay, thank you so much.